Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Improving English Practice Session. Dear friend, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको सिखाने जा रहा हूँ इंग्लिश के अल्फाज, जुमलों और गुफ्तगू में इसका इस्तेमाल. So this is Muhammad Bilal and you are listening to BE English YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's begin our today's lesson. Arrive at और arrive in का मीनिंग है पर पहुंचना. Examples: They arrived at the restaurant. वो रेस्टोरेंट पर पहुंचे. They arrived at the restaurant. The train arrived at the station. ट्रेन स्टेशन पर पहुंची. The train arrived at the station. Conversation: When will we get to the airport? हम कब एयरपोर्ट पर पहुंचेंगे? When will we get to the airport? We should arrive at the airport in 5 minutes. हम 5 मिनट में एयरपोर्ट पर पहुंच जाएंगे. We should arrive at the airport in 5 minutes. As a result, नतीजे के तौर पर. Examples: She studied hard. As a result, she got A grade on the test. वो मेहनत से पढ़ती थी. नतीजे के तौर पर उसने टेस्ट में A grade हासिल किया. She studied hard. As a result, she got A on the test. Many roads were flooded, and as a result, there were some delays. बहुत सी सड़कें सैलाब का शिकार हुई और इसके नतीजे में कुछ ताख़ीर हुई. Many roads were flooded. As a result, there were some delays. Conversation: Did you study for the test? क्या तुमने इम्तिहान के लिए पढ़ाई की? Did you study for the test? No, and a result, I got bad grade. नहीं, और नतीजे के तौर पर मुझे बुरा ग्रेड मिला. No, and as a result, I got bad grade.